In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up clock-in reminders in QuickBooks Time using the current browser interface. By the end, you'll have reliable reminders going out to your team so they clock in and out on time, every time. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Time account in a web browser. The web view gives you clear access to team profiles and notification settings, which is exactly where these reminders live. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This page lists everyone on your account so you can manage each person's settings individually. Find the team member you want to update, then click the three-dot menu next to their name and choose Edit. That opens their profile. At the top of the profile, select the Notifications tab. This is the central place to decide how and when that person receives alerts. Scroll down until you see the Clock In Out section. Here's where you'll turn on the reminders. You can toggle mobile and/or email notifications to on. Mobile only means the reminder will appear as a push notification on the team member's device through the QuickBooks Time app, while email will send a message to their inbox. Choose one or both based on what gets their attention most consistently. As a best practice, make sure your team member uses the mobile app and has device notifications enabled so nothing gets missed. Next, set the reminder time for clock in and clock out. For example, if a typical shift starts at 8:00 a.m. and ends at 5:00 p.m., enter those times. Pick times that line up with the start and end of the shift, or a few minutes before if you want a heads up. Keep in mind that reminders follow your account's time settings, so choose times that make sense for your location and schedule. Select the days of the week these reminders should go out. Many teams choose weekdays only, but include weekends if your schedule calls for it. This helps ensure people only see reminders on the days they actually work. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the reminder settings. Saving locks in the changes for that team member. Then repeat the same process for each additional person who should receive clock-in reminders. Keeping these settings consistent across your team can improve accuracy and reduce missed punches. That's it. You've set up clear, timely reminders that nudge your team to clock in and out on schedule. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.